Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I am so excited to decorate for fall, and I am just so ready for the warm and the coziness. And this sign that says thankful, I got that from Hobby Lobby, and it didn't have the sunflowers or nothing on there. I just bought a bunch of little sunflowers, and then I just hot glued them on there because it was just too plain. If you guys hear that, that is Valkyrie messing with things in the background. But I am so excited to start decorating for fall. If my husband had it his way, we would be decorating for Halloween right now. It is killing him. He is so ready to start decorating for Halloween. But I was like, no, I need to decorate for fall first. But yeah, like I was trying to get all the fall stuff out, and he was trying to get all the Halloween stuff out. And it was just a mess. But if he had it his way, we would be skipping over fall and going straight to Halloween.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you.
And that sign that I just hung up on the wall and everything right there at the fireplace all came from Hobby Lobby. I have had all that stuff for a few years now. These leaves right here, I got those from the Dollar Tree. And last year I put some leaves up around my clock like this, and I liked the way it looked, so I decided to go ahead and do it again. But for the most part, everything pretty much came from Hobby Lobby. And if it came from somewhere else, I will pop back on here and tell you where I got it from. Now, the prices, I am not 100% sure. I don't remember how much everything was, but
You are like, you're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like.
and these little single leaves, I got those from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting them on the stand. I end up redoing it. I take some of these off because I had too much on there. And decorating this two-tier stand is just, I don't know. This is like the first year of doing it, and I did it for Christmas, and it turned out really cute. I like the way I did it for Christmas. I'm sorry, the dogs are playing. It is raining outside, so they are just stuck in the house and full of energy. But I'm still learning to decorate this two-tier stand. It's cute. It's not my favorite, but I don't know. It may stay. It may be changed up by another video. I don't know. This is just not my strong suit. And also, like, when it comes to decorating, I don't really, like, I do what makes me happy. And that's all that matters. Just do what makes you happy. If you like the pretty, bright fall colors, do the fall colors. I am not all into that fancy or like the sparkles and the pinks and the whites. I'm not into all of that stuff. I love the farmhouse look of things. I am a country girl, and as y'all notice, like half the time my hair is not fixed and I have no makeup on because I am cleaning, and that is just, I am comfortable that way. A lot of leggings. I am just not a fancy type of person. I rarely dress up fancy. The most I do to my hair is just run a straightener through it. That's it. So I am pretty basic, and I keep things pretty basic as well. I am simple, and I like simple. So I don't overthink it, and I don't overdo it. So, well, I do overdo it with decorating because I love to decorate for the holidays and all the seasons. But I didn't decorate for summer. I will next year.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know.
And this candle holder, I got this from Hobby Lobby. This was $60, but I caught it on sale and I paid $30 for it. There's a few things I remember how much they cost. This was one of them, just because I waited for it to go on sale because I wanted it, but I did not want to pay $60. And Hobby Lobby always have these sales where they have a 50% off sale. So I just wait till they have that, and then I'll just go and get what I want. But I don't like paying full price for things. I guess that's the couponer in me. I do like to coupon as well. So I like to save money as much as possible, even on my decorations. But I am taking some leaves from the Dollar Tree and just wrapping around the bottom of it, just to add a little more color to it, sorry. And this cute little fall sign I got from the Dollar Tree. And there's a few signs that I did get from the Dollar Tree, like the little ones that go on the counters and stuff. But for the bigger signs, they all came from Hobby Lobby.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?
And these really cute pumpkin pillows, I got those from Home Goods, and they were $25 a piece, and I just got these a few weeks ago. They do have some really cute Halloween ones I want to go and get, but I would love to get enough pillows for all three couches, but at $25 a piece, that's a bit pricey. So I think I'm just going to have a couple of really cute ones, and then just more or less do like the fall or Halloween colors for my pillows. And I do need to get another fall blanket so I can put it on the other couch. I think that would look really cute.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah.
So this cute pumpkin cat house, I got that from Five Below. It was like $5. And it is so cute. I do have a Christmas one. It is shaped as Santa's hat. I got that one from Walmart, which was made a lot better. But I just thought that was so cute. I would love to find like a cute Halloween one for George.
I kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend. And I will talk to you guys next week.